I am Mr. Gant. Project Management. Lesson number 9, How to rename column headings in MS Project. Objective: students will learn how to rename column headings in MS Project. Rename column headings. In this project, we will look up the appropriate embed ways to update the headings of columns in views. I'm looking at a project through the Gantt chart view. Let's say that I want to insert the Duration 1 custom field into this table. I'm going to right-click the Start heading and choose Insert Column on the shortcut menu. Then, I'll find Duration 1 in the drop-down list and choose it to add it to the table. Duration 1 doesn't really tell me a whole lot, so I want to change what appears as the heading. Now, one way you can do this is to right-click the heading and on the shortcut menu, choose Field Settings. Then, you can fill in the title box with what you want the heading to be. So let's say I'm going to name this Pessimistic. When I click OK, that changes the heading. The only problem with this approach is it only applies to this table. If I go up on the View tab and click the Task Usage button, let's say I insert that same custom field Duration 1 into this table, you can see that the heading is still Duration 1. It doesn't change to Pessimistic. Well, let's go back to our Gantt chart view. I'm going to click the Gantt chart button on the View tab. Let's remove this title because it's not doing what we want. So, I'm going to right-click the heading, choose Field Settings again, and then delete the value in the title box. So now, we're back to Duration 1. The way to get a heading to show up wherever you insert this custom field into a table is by defining an alias. I'm going to right-click the heading and on the shortcut menu, choose Custom Fields. That opens up the Custom Fields dialog box, and it automatically selects the custom field that I'm working on. I can go right down below the list and click Rename, and let's change this. I'm going to make it Pessimistic Duration, but I'm going to abbreviate it. When I click OK, you can see in the list that I see both the alias and the field name. So let's click OK to close this dialog box, and now the heading is changed in this table. In addition, if I go back up and click the Task Usage button, the alias also appears in this other table. So that alias appears anytime you insert this custom field into a table. Exactly what we want.